Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a case to the Salesforce support. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to the support or only the single page or the main page of Salesforce. So from here, make sure that you are connected to your account first. And after that, we will need just to click on support here. By clicking on support, we will be redirected to the support page, and simply we need just to click on help in documentation, and from there we can find this page. So simply either you can just go and search for your cases or just click on contact support. After that, we need just to create our case, and basically as we can see there is these choices. So from here I'm just going and submit a case. So create a case, and after that you will need to start filling information. So let's just wait a moment. Now you can add the subjects of the case, and of course don't forget to grant login access for the support, and then you can get it in from your setup. You can learn more about it from here. So basically you will need just to fill in the information here. You add your collaborators, and you can add some files and click create case for your case. So basically if you have any collaborator, it can be your manager or anything, you can search them, enter in their email or enter in search them by name, and they are linked to your account. So basically you can upload some files such as error images or some anything that would give more clarification on the description of your problem, and you click on create case, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.